Ciao, Bella. It's Sandra, Italian Chef Mama, coming at you with another air fryer recipe. It's early in the morning, that's why my voice is really groggy, but I didn't want to not post this video. So these are mushrooms. And these mushrooms were just regular mushrooms from the store, and I sliced them up into thirds. You can see here that they are not quartered, but they can be. It's no big deal if you quarter them. And I'm gonna be putting these in the air fryer and dehydrating them a little bit so I can have them on top of a salad or whatever I want for the week. But I just like eating them with chopsticks at lunch over my butternut squash, but these are so delicious. And this is what I used. I used original teriyaki. As you can see, I used a little bit of soy sauce. I need to refill my bottle, and ponzu. But you don't have to use those. You can use salt and pepper and Italian dressing if you want to. You can use salt and pepper and anything you want. Now notice I didn't use any oil. I'm trying to keep these really low fat, and but you can spray some olive oil on here if you want to, and just do olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. I would use powdered garlic instead of the fresh garlic because the air fryer is probably gonna burn it. But I'm gonna stick these into the air fryer. Now I'm gonna eat this, it's a pretty big, this is a really big bowl. I'm gonna say it's about 12 inches wide. And I'm gonna stack these really, really deep in my air fryer basket and in a silicone that goes inside my basket. I don't worry about them staying wet in there because I turn them when it says to turn the food, and then I just keep turning on the air fryer until I like to the consistency that they're done. And then the next video I'll show them done. But like I said, you can use anything you want, but these are my favorite things to use. I really like this teriyaki marinade, and the nice thing is it's really low. It's like 15 calories, and then the soy sauce is 10. And I probably used about 2 tablespoons in here, and I just sprinkled it over. I didn't measure because I just don't. I'm gonna need a little bit more liquid for these to absorb, because this is 5 packages of mushrooms. You can buy them in bulk from Restaurant Depot, but I love these. I won't eat a mushroom raw, but man, if they're cooked, or I don't like them boiled, but I do love them roasted, and I like roasting them in my air fryer. So I will post a picture of or post a video of me air frying them, and then I'll post another video because I don't know how to pause this and continue. I'm not that savvy, and I don't edit, and I just post things that I love on my channel. And if you like it, great. If you don't, move along. No skin off my back. So anyway, these are my air fryer mushrooms in the beginning, and I do the same thing with red bell peppers, or red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. I never eat green peppers because those are unripened red, orange, or yellow peppers, and I don't like unripened food. So you do you, but I do this also with onions. I do this with zucchini is really good like this. I'll use different seasonings if I want to, but I really do like these 3. The teriyaki, the soy, and the ponzu. Like I said, you do not have to use these. Sometimes I just use olive oil, salt and pepper, maybe a little lemon juice if I have it. I like to marinate in orange juice too. So I have my fresh oranges right there. Just salt and pepper if you want. Maybe add a little water if you really want to keep it super, super, super low fat. But the mushrooms absorb this lovely little concoction that I have here, and they're just delicious. So I will come back with another video and show you what they look like when they're done. Ciao.